I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright.
Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a avocado smoothie. This is so simple. You take your avocado, one ripe avocado, add your frozen fresh pineapple juice, one frozen banana, you're going to blend it well. This only takes about 3 minutes. Once you have everything prepared, you just mix it all together and blend. This is a great smoothie to take on the go. By freezing all of your ingredients, you don't need to add ice. It makes it thick and creamy. Make sure you scrape down the side to incorporate all the ingredients. Then set the blender to a higher speed. Mix for a few minutes until it's nice and creamy. It's thick and it's creamy. Almost look like a milkshake. And it's good. Pour it in one of your favorite glasses. Garnish it with a slice of avocado. I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe